Pressure builds on Biden's as news conference failed to stop rebels. Joe Biden's press conference, in which he insisted he was still fit to run for United States president, has failed to silence critics from his own party. Three Democratic politicians joined the growing list calling on Mr. Biden to drop out of United States presidential election. Calls for the 81 years old to step aside have escalated since he stumbled through a TV debate with Republicans Donald Trump last month. At an hours long briefing taking reporters' questions on Thursday night, he was more steady and fluent, but there were also gaffes. He mistakenly referred to his deputy Kamala Harris as Vice President Trump when answering the first question. Two other earlier at a NATO event, he introduced Ukraine's leaders as President Putin's before correcting himself. It means Mr. Biden's candidacy still remains in peril, with the possibility of more defections over the next few days. Some donors, including Hollywood's actor George Clooney, have pulled their financial support, saying he is not competent to carry out another 4-year term. One Democratic fundraiser who wants Mr. Biden to step down told the BBC that like minded Biden skeptics felt the president had done okay at the news conference but not well enough to change minds. A problem for Mr. Biden going forward is that he will be under consistent and constant and intense scrutiny at every event. Any slip or mistake will be seized on evidence that he is neither fit nor capable enough to be running for a second term. Shortly after he finished his press conference, Connecticut Congressman Jim Hemis posted on X praising Mr. Biden's record in public service but calling on him to step away from the campaign. The strongest candidate to confront the threat posed by Trump, he wrote, was no longer Joe Biden